Hi there, I'm John from CNCRI.com, and today we're going to glue together my custom built and laser cut holding tray. So how do you get started running a custom fabrication business? For me, it was actually 3D modeling and designing items such as this for many years. For about 10 years, I designed models and sold them all around the world for lasers, routers, water jets, 3D printers even. And you can still see a lot of that work over at CNCKing.com, which is a site that basically just holds the designs. Now this here is a custom tray designed a while back, but I never actually had to glue it together because it held together on its own. What changed here in the shop is now I have a new application for this. Before it was basically just to hold various junk I had, and now I'm going to actually use it to hold my anodized business card blanks. So you can see here they actually fits pretty perfectly, and you just line them up here, and right away visually you see if you have any colors that are missing or that you need to order more and so forth. If you're wondering about how strong something like this actually can be, I could easily hold around 50 pounds of stuff in this. It's quite astonishing. It's just 1/4 inch or 6mm thick plywood. And of course the glue is still drying a little bit here, as you can see. But that will become transparent and you will be none the wiser of how it's actually held together. The nice thing about custom making my own trays and other items here in the shop is that I can make it for my specific applications. In this case here, I had no intention of using it for business cards originally. I had a lot of other stuff, but it just happens to fit perfectly. And it's the perfect also amount of sections here for the different colors that I offer my customers all around the world. Now the nice thing about having a custom tray is you design it to your specs. So for me, I wanted something I could just hold like this, lift up, bring down, whatever I wanted to do. Because I designed it myself as well, if I needed something stronger, I could easily just double up the bottom part of this. And with everything interlocking, it's very easy to make something double or triple strong that you need. So if you're looking for something custom designed through fabrication, contact me at CNCRI.com and I'll make it for you.